Hello everyone. Today I will share with you an extremely intuitive way to understand and determine the angle of Tay head when drawing a portrait. That is using an egg. By drawing the facial axis directly on the eggshell and comparing it with the Loomis head block, I will help you recognize how the changing perspective affects the position of the five senses. Introducing the egg block, drawing a simulation next to it. As you can see, the shape of the egg is similar to a simple human head. The round part is the top of the head. The small part is the chin. I'll also draw this egg with pencil lines next to it to make it easier to compare in the lesson. I will use a pencil to draw the vertical axis in the middle of the face, from the top of the head to the chin. Divide this segment in half to get the position of the eyes. Draw two circles on both sides according to the Loomis Method model I introduced in previous tutorials. Divide the egg into 3 equal parts according to the height. Determine the axis that divides the face horizontally. We determine the position of the two jaw rotations. In addition, I also tried drawing simple five senses on the egg, eyes, nose, mouth for more visualization. I used a red marker to draw the facial axis so that we can easily determine the viewing angle for the practice face. Now I will illustrate the basic viewing angles when the head is tilted. Please observe the red axis on the egg so that we can see the direction of the face. And next, I'm going to draw a block of the head from a bottom view, like the view of an egg. I start with a Loomis sphere, then cut the side plane, draw the axis curve up. The eyes are higher than normal, the nose is shortened, the chin is pushed up. Imagine this skull as a block. At the same time, the neck should also be pulled back a little bit. If you combine it with the egg, you can rotate it at this right angle and then look and draw it exactly. Create a downward view. Do you see it clearly? The red axis changes, creating a very strong sense of space and direction of view, extremely important when drawing characters with movement. Here I have drawn more red arrows for you to remember. When the head is tilted up, gives the axis curves up. When the head is tilted down, gives the axis curves down. This is the fastest way for you to analyze the head posture in any situation. In this image, I drew the head tilted to the left. You can see the center axis is tilted, and the left ear is more visible. I also added the neck and shoulders to complete the character's composition. This helps you understand the overall pose, not just the head. Next is the head looking to the right. The axis tilts in the opposite direction, the left cheek is more covered, and the eye axis also changes. Finally, a rather complex pose, half view and looking up. Here, the head is tilted to the left and up, the axis is twisted in both directions. Finally, a rather complex pose, half view and looking up. Here, the head is tilted to the left and up, the axis is twisted in both directions. This angle is common in comic illustrations. You can use an egg to create this pose and observe carefully before drawing. In short, with just an egg and a few pens, you can practice identifying the axis and angle of the head in a very intuitive way. I encourage you to try to redraw all the poses in this picture. Then rotate the egg yourself and draw other angles to practice more. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found this lesson useful, please like and subscribe to Sketch Portraits by NC for more content about the Loomis method in portrait drawing.